Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video where we both get to explore new things. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Pranjali Bose. I am a software developer as well as a content creator. Back with another Nykaa haul today, sharing everything that I got from the Nykaa Pink Love sale. Short disclaimer before we begin this video. It's been quite a while since I have actually got things shopped from Nykaa online. Hence a Nykaa haul after such a long time. So you can expect more of utility things in this haul and a few makeup products that I wanted to try out for a long time. Let's see what all we have in this Nykaa haul. Without any delay, let's get straight into the video. Starting off with my first Nykaa box. Well, this comes with the most important thing for me and my hair, that is the L'Oreal Paris Prolonger shampoo, and along with that I also have got my hands on the L'Oreal Paris Prolonger conditioner or the hair mask. Two things that are really important for my long hair. People who have long hair might be able to relate that it's really difficult to get your hair together. But both of these as a combo, and the original price of this combo was 1765. However, I got it at 1362. But let me tell you, I did get it at a lesser price than the discounted price, even because I had gathered a lot of Nykaa points by now, since I have not been shopping from Nykaa for a long while. Discounted price was 1500. I got it at 1362. So a saving of 137 on the discounted price. I really swear by this combo a lot, because ever since I've started actually coloring my hair, as you can see, I do frequently get my hair dyed, and I like doing that. Although I know the perils of it, I know it's not very good for your hair always. This Prolonger shampoo is for long hair with thin ends, and it also reduces split ends. I have been using this for about a year now, and I definitely have got good results because my hair feels quite healthier and shinier than before. Earlier, I was not using the hair mask but just the shampoo. Then I understood that it's a combo for a reason. Definitely has worked pretty well for me, so maybe you guys can try out as well. So after applying this shampoo, I go ahead with this mask, which I keep for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I wash it off. And along with that, I got this freebie, which is the L'Oreal Paris Liss Unlimited Professional Mask, the mini version of it. Absolutely love free products. Next product from the first box is Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I think this is my second bottle of this one, because absolutely love how this makes my skin feel and how this makes my skin glow. Original price of this product is 1450. However, I got it at 922. Again, there was an additional discount on the discounted price because of my Nykaa points. Best thing about this one is that it is suitable for all skin types. It also contains hyaluronic acid and will also work on acne prone skin. Remember, I got this about 2 years ago, I think, when the entire internet was raging about this one. I don't come with the best skin. At times when I see my skin getting worse, I definitely do start using this religiously. Also, this is paraben free, so absolutely love that about it. Love doing this. Love how this happens. For the ones who have not maybe used it, I really wanted to show you its texture and the consistency of it. If you can see, it's smooth and so soft. So you can already tell that it'll be making your skin likewise. I generally like to use the snail mucin after my face is washed and on damp skin for the best results. One of my favorite skincare products for sure. Another freebie product with this one, I got the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Gel Face Wash. I don't think I've tried yet. So it's good that I've got a mini version of it. I can maybe try it out and see if it works for me also. And if it does, then maybe I can also buy it. So yes, thanks Dot & Key, thanks Nykaa for the freebie. I have my second box already ready with me, and which contains the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen, which has SPF 50 plus and also contains niacinamide with it. So I have heard a lot about this one. I have heard my friends use it. Love how cute the packaging is. Love the color of it. Original price is 549. I, however, got it at 374 rupees. So pretty affordable, I must say. I mean, even if you buy it at the original price, it is a sunscreen that you will be getting under 700. This is a tinted sunscreen. You don't really have to apply any foundation or concealer on top of your sunscreen when you have this kind of a product. Suitable for all skin types and is chemical free. That's the texture, and it's buildable, very lightweight. From what I can see, think I'm pretty much looking forward to using this one because, as I said, I've heard a lot about it, heard a lot of people use it as well, and it has worked for them. Definitely going to try it out. Maybe also probably might make a video of it and share my review or my feedback about this one. So do stay tuned. Pretty excited for this one. While we talk about summers and sunscreen, we have another sunscreen that I've also got from this Nykaa Pink Love sale. Is the Laneige watery sun cream with SPF 50 plus. It's paraben free and sulfate free, and let me tell you, I have been using this for quite some time now. I am still using it. I was almost out of it. The original price of it is 1650. I got it for 1274. I got an additional discount of 128 rupees on the discounted price, which was 1403. I swear by it. The more sunscreens you have, the better. You can never have enough of sunscreens. I think it's a new blush for me. I think we've talked quite a lot about skincare products in this haul till now. So let me show you a few makeup products that I also got from this Nykaa's Pink Love sale, although there are not many of them. I did buy a few which I wanted to try out and a few which I ran out of. So the first one is the Lifter Gloss. I ran out of this, and it is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 009 Topaz. Love this one. I mean, I kind of swear by this lip gloss. Original price of the Lifter Gloss is 799. I got it at 599. Did not get any additional discount on this one. Got it at the discounted price that the Nykaa Pink Love sale was providing it at. Maybelline Lifter Glosses can easily pass as the best and the most perfect dupe for the Fenty Gloss Bombs as well. And I think this shade that I use, that is the Topaz, is a perfect dupe for the Fenty's Fenty Glow. It is absolutely amazing. And I mean, I love it. I mean, I absolutely love to use this one. It's, you'll always find this in my bag. And the gloss age is back. I did think of getting my hands on the pink one. I think the bubble gum, is it? Yeah, the bubblegum one, but I don't know. I just ended up buying this one again. I think my friends gifted it to me back in 2023, and I just ran out of this. And I have been using it consistently, constantly. So pretty long lasting. I mean, if you're getting it at 599 or even 799, this one's going to last for long. I am not somebody who applies gloss directly, but I like to use a lipstick and then apply the gloss on top of it. Even if you do apply this on your bare lips, that will also work because it's pretty tinted and pigmented, and I absolutely love this. Next product that I have from this box is Etude House Dear Darling Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint Lipstick in the shade 02 Cherry. ASMR moment again. I think I ruined my ASMR moment. Oh my god, this color. God, this color is so good. Original price of the Etude House tint is 450. I got it at 405, so not much of a difference. Have been thinking of buying this for a long time. I don't know why I did not end up buying it. A lot of people who are watching this also might use it or are using it, and it's the perfect dupe for the Benny tint, I've heard. I mean, I can't wait to try this out. Actually giving cherry, the exact cherry red, but ooh, would you look at that? Oh my god, you guys, I think I'm already obsessed. Let's apply a little bit. Although I have some blush, but let's try and use it. Ooh. Oh my god, you guys. Is this my new favorite blush or what? Do you see that? 1, 2, 3. Look at the pigmentation. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Also so affordable. I mean, to get that formulation of Benetint in just like 450 rupees. If I talk about the original price, that's like amazing. Definitely going in my makeup pouch. Now know what the hype's all about. I see what they were talking about. I just applied a little and look at the pigmentations. Will never regret buying this. If you thought I'll be doing a Nykaa haul video and not show a lipstick, I have the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Ultimates Lipstick Matte Finish in the shade More Taupe. I'm not sure if that is how the shade is pronounced, but correct me if I'm wrong. I did not get for myself, to be very honest. I got it for my sister. I mean, my sister got it for herself. I don't think is the perfect nude shade for me, although let's try it out. Oh, I think I like it. Or is it going to wash me out? I think I'll only be able to know once I try it out. But if you look at the shade, it's pretty nice. It's pretty, it's giving subtle. My sister had her eyes on this shade for a long time. I think she'll be using it more than I will be. Even if it does like wash me out, I can always use like a brown lip liner and make it better. This one's a good nude brown shade if you're looking for one. The original price of this one was $5.99. I got it for $3.59. So a win, deja vu moment, because I think I also did show one of these ranges only. I think the more mauve and the more rust, if I'm not wrong, in my last Nykaa haul that I did. Oh, I will talk. Okay. How can I talk with you? Oh, you want me to talk? Okay. The next product that I have from the Nykaa Pink Love Sale is the Victoria's Secret fragrance lotion. Super. Thank you. Take two of that. We have our next product from this Nykaa haul, and it is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Cashmere Body Lotion. This one's definitely a win-win because the original price of it is 2499. That's like 2.5k, but I got it at 799, so there was a huge discount on this one. I don't think otherwise I would have even considered buying it had it not been for a sale. First of all, the packaging is so luxe. I mean, of course, it's Victoria's Secret because I was getting a 2.5k product at like 799, so why not? Oh my God. You guys, this smells so good. It's floral yet very subtle at the same time. It's very mild, but also I think pretty long lasting. So good. This is a lotion that is wrapped with notes of plush vanilla, pillow petals, and whipped meringue. I am a sucker for like good aroma, anything that comes with a good smell, good aroma, be it perfumes, lotions, anything. So yes, this one I think I am looking forward to trying this one out. Cashmere body lotion. I can tell you it's as, I mean, it smells as smooth as cashmere feels. Almost towards the end of the video because I have my last product from the Nykaa Pink Love Sale haul. Again, a Victoria's Secret product. It is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Intense Perfume Travel spray that I got from Victoria's Secret. Look at the packaging. I mean, Victoria's Secret can never go wrong with the appearance of its products and the packaging of it. Like, looks so luxe. The original price of the product was 2000. I, however, got it at 1199. So let's do a test, a spray test, and see how it actually is. So, not going to use much of it because it's a travel edition. A moment of silence for this entire experience. And it has a fruity as well as a floral touch to it. It has notes of lush cherry, red peony, and sultry vanilla. Exactly how it looks like. It also has a very premium feel and experience to it as well. And that was pretty much it from Nika's Pink Love haul. I weren't a lot of products this time because, as my disclaimer already said, this time I really wanted to get my hands on the things I really needed, hair care essentials or the skincare essentials, and a few makeup products I really wanted to try out. Although there were limited products in this haul, I did not want to miss this opportunity to make this video and share with you guys what all I got my hands on. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved making it, and maybe you can pick your favorite products from this haul and also get your hands on them. And if you've made your way up until here, then please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notifications every time I post something new. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I go by the handle Pranjali Bose. I put up a lot of content in there, so do check that out as well. Also, if you've been following my shorts, I've also been trying to put up a few cooking videos, like cook with me videos as well. I'm going to be back with a lot of other beauty, fashion, travel, lifestyle content again for you guys. If you've subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. It really means a lot to me. And if you have not, then please do check out my videos. And if it does make you feel good, then do not forget to subscribe. Be back with more. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.